roasting me? No. Hey there, everyone. What is up? It's your girl Olivia. That's my sister Kayla. Hello. Okay, so anyways, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. And if you are new, look at it. Looks like I don't have any eyebrows. Anyways, if it if you're new, please subscribe, hit that like button, and comment, share, all that shit. And let's get into this video.
Sorry, gonna fail. Okay, give me the chills. So what we're gonna do real quick is put some clean and clear dual action moisturizer on our face, so we can dry ass bitch. Let's put some cum on you. Hey, Olivia. That's how it goes. So we're gonna make sure y'all faces are cleansed. I cleansed my face. Alright, yeah, we're just gonna put this shit on our face like we're supposed to, you know? Oh, look at our face. Yeah, you see my double chin? I got one too. Okay, anyways, what's your greatest feature? Your double chin. My double chin. Let's get mine. Let's get our... I don't like these others, so I do. What the hell happened here? I don't like these ones. Why? Because they're always really hard and they don't good. These ones are the real ones. They're the ones that when you put water on, they go like that.
Okay.
You know, like, the one that you got mom or whatever, that one didn't get all big or whatever, but she didn't even know that you have to wet it.
I didn't get mom one. I got you one.
No, not that one, the light blue one. It's like this color.
I never got mom one. I thought you did. Well, I just got hers. It's just a shitty one. Alright, we're gonna use the Dermacol. Look up. I'm gonna figure out which one's your color. This one's your color. Alright, the lightest one. Grab my favorite. There you are. Okay, am I gonna look orange? No. It's just... You want me to do it? No. I just need to, like, plan out my videos. What did you say about clean? I said, or clean. It says clean. You know, like, organized. That's how it happened here.
Alright.
Some dusty
Get you a... Is this a foundation brush? I don't know. Some people think it is. Okay, I'm just getting one of these brushes, like, kind of flaps and, like, roundish on the top. But it's not, like... You know. Alright, so I'm gonna get the San whatever primer. It's oil-free. And since she's got a greasy-ass face...
Wow. I know I do.
We're gonna put it on her face. Actually, it smells kind of good.
What's this video gonna be? Just you roasting me?
No. That didn't mean to happen. I'll let you smell it. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, it's gonna be a great video. I don't even know if I want to fucking edit it. Oh.
Why don't you just not edit it?
Be real. Be realist. Realist the realist. Realist. Kayla's the realistist. Do you need help? Yeah. It's just... This is the first time I ever used a brush for primer. I'm trying to be all professional and shit. And I just like come all over your face. Oh, gross. You're not over my lip. I know. You need to prime your face. But seriously, this is like the best, one of the best primers. And guess how much it was? $2 for this whole thing. Well, this bit, but... Look at that, lady. Right. No. You know, my face is all really red, and my neck is okay. Excuse me.
And we're going to be using this iconic London illuminator on her face. On your face. Let's just fake it.
No. I'm not doing makeup here. I'm doing it. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad are my eyebrows? They're darker than mine. Alright, mine are never like that. I feel like I sound like a boy right now. Like a... Like this boy? I don't know. You don't know? You're putting it on my face? But it still look pretty. We're gonna make her shiny. I am. No, illuminated. Wow. You sure you know what that means? It's a red lady. Yeah. Turn this to the camera.
Oh, wow.
Don't worry, we're gonna cover it up so it doesn't even look like it was there.
I'm already nervous. Like, super nervous.
Why?
Look how I look right now.
Dude, you look fucking gorgeous.
Not in that mirror.
Oh, look at that one.
It's like this, look. Look at it. Look how fat in that mirror.
Let's smell in your face. Let's smell. This is what a bunch of makeup gurus. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Well, that's what they do. Inaudible. I gotta input that. Oh wow, look how shiny you look though. Like look at your glow. You look glowing.
I don't know if I like that. I need it like maybe it's okay, but then you got every other part of my face glowing as well.
Alright, Satan. I'm just kidding. I just crushed my finger. Oh, sorry. Sorry too much. Probably need a lot of that shit for my... Did you... Wow. 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 Let's run this out. Look at turtle. Why? Look, my neck is like... Okay, I know it doesn't look like it's blending in very well, but it's like, I'm going to blend it in better because I'm just spreading it like an STD. I don't actually have anything.
I feel like I'm gonna need a lot of help after this video. Like therapy. And you can agree to that.
Yep.
Wow. Pickles.
Alright, we're gonna use my favorite brush. You know, the one that's broken as shit. Now pounce it in like a beauty blender, but it's not a beauty blender. Pounce, yeah, like a... What thing's pounce? A puma.
Wow.
Wow. I can't stop, like...
Hello. Hello.
So what we're doing is covering up all of her blemishes.
There's a lot of them.
Oh, we'll just blend that in like it's your business. Drag it. Wow. Ha! Hoo! Yeah! What is it good for? Absolutely nothing! Ha! Hoo! Yeah!
No,
Why'd you laugh then?
that wasn't funny.
Man, your skin takes this really good.
Do I look orange?
No.
Do I have eyebrows?
I'm just kidding.
Do I have
You look good.
eyebrows?
Uh-huh. Close your eyes. No squeaking.
These chairs need help. Along with you.
Yeah, nigga, I'm still fucking with you. Still waters run deep. Still Snoop Dogg.
Short. I'm short. I'm taller than you. I'm taller than everybody. I'm taller than... I use that one. I'm taller than Mom. And you. Okay. I'm taller than all the girls. Ooh. Alright.
So, we're gonna use this, wet my sort of dual stick, you know. Wow. Oh. Wow.
The hell?
I didn't even go! Bitch, where the fuck is it? That's all of it? Hey, let's see the other side. You want me to go to my now? We're using my makeup tutorial. Okay. Thanks, clean up my brush.
We're gonna highlight. Oh. We're gonna highlight all over this spot.
Do I need like lights all the way around me?
I know it. We're gonna. When I get my thing, it's gonna like do that.
What does that even mean?
ponder of something great. My lungs will fill and then deflate. They fill with fire, exhaled.
Yes, sir, I can't fucking live.
Dire. I know it's dire, my time today. I have these thoughts so often I ought to replace that slot with what I once bought. Cause somebody stole my car radio and now I just sit in silence. Sometimes quiet is violent.
Hair up my nose.
Sorry, I was just trying to get it. Oh, that scared the titties out of me. Ooh. Say ooh.
I find it hard to hide it. My pride is no longer inside. It's on my sleeve, my skin will scream, reminding me of who I killed inside my dream. I hate this car that I'm driving. There's no hiding for me. I'm forced to deal with what I feel. There is no distraction to mask what is real. I could pull the steering wheel. I have these thoughts so often I ought to replace that slot with what I once bought. Cause somebody stole my car radio and now I just sit in silence.
So I can get your... I gotta do it for reals. Like, it gives you...
What
Look,
am I-
it gives you the lines.
Alright.
Right there. I'll move.
I can see it.
I ponder of something terrifying, cause this time there's no sound to hide behind. I find over the course of our human existence, one thing consists of consistence, and it's that we're all battling fear. Oh dear, I don't know if we know why we're here. Oh my, too deep, please stop thinking. I liked it better when my car had sound. There are things we can do, but from the things that work there are only two, and from the two that we choose to do, peace will win and fear will lose. There's faith and there's sleep. We need to pick one, please, because faith is to be awake, and to be awake is for us to think, and for us to think is to be alive. And I will try with every rhyme to come across like I am dying to let you know you need to try to think. I have these thoughts so often I ought to replace that slot with what I once bought. Cause somebody stole my car radio and now I just sit in silence.
Fucking gold.
What, my face?
The video.
Oh.
Just so you know, people still fart in videos.
They just edit it out.
I didn't fart, I swear to God.
finder of something great. My lungs will fill and then deflate. They fill with fire, exhale desire. I know it's dire, my time today. I have these thoughts so often I ought to replace that slot with what I once bought. Cause somebody stole my car radio and now I just sit in silence.
I'm gonna blend them out. Show your titties.
Cosmetics Long Lasting Prime and Fine. Turn. Close your eyes. You let that dry. Shit.
But yeah, so tell me in the comments below how I did. If she looks nice and beautiful and gorgeous and Ooh, she looks so fucking gorgeous. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Sorry it was such a long video.
Can you speed it up anyways?
Yeah, but comment down below if you want me to do more of these or if you want her to do my makeup.
That's gonna fail for sure.
But yeah, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good shit. And I hope you all have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.